Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can list your hotel on booking.com. So let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to booking.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the option that says List Your Property, usually found at the top or bottom of the page, and click on it. To begin listing any kind of property, you'll need to go through Booking.com's partner registration process. So, click to register as a partner and start by entering your email and creating a password. Once your account is created, you'll be taken to a page where you'll see different types of properties you can list, such as apartments, hotels, homes, or other unique stays. Since we're listing a hotel, select the Hotel option and click Continue. On the next screen, you'll need to select the category again as Hotel and proceed by clicking Continue. Booking.com will then ask how many hotels you're listing. Choose one and continue. On the following page, just click Continue again to move forward. Now, they'll ask you to provide the property's address, so select your country and type in the complete address of your hotel. After that, simply follow the rest of the on-screen instructions, such as entering details about your rooms, amenities, pricing, and uploading photos. Once all steps are completed, your property will be successfully listed on Booking.com and ready to be discovered by travelers around the world.